What is good, guys? Boy Fred Fletch back here again with another video. Today's video, it's my day off. I should vlog this day for you guys, but I'm just gonna do a quick little update on the Infinitewerks that I just picked up. So right now I have 3 out of the 4 wheels disassembled. But that, let me show you guys. I posted a little video on TikTok. People are like, what do 3-piece wheels mean? But most of you people on YouTube, y'all should know what 3-piece wheels are, but let me show you what we work. Basically, I have them separated like this, bagged up all the hardware. So this face comes out, okay? So I'm gonna tell you guys the problem that I had with the test fit, for those of you who watched that video. This face is 18 millimeter offset. The face in the front is, I measured it, it was like 35 millimeters. So it's a huge difference. Like, shit, I want it. Let's take this out. So as you see, right, that's an 18 millimeter. The 35 is double that. So going this way, so that's why it's stuck out so far. Everyone's saying you got the wrong offset, this, that, that, third. I'm like, I know, like, dude, like, it's getting taken care of, like, come on, like, this stuff is really not cheap. It cost, I want them powder coated white. It costs $6.50 a face. So, y'all relax, man. I just bought these. This barrel is mint. This barrel is mint. That's just me. I was sanding down where the sticky weights are at, but this barrel is mint. I'm gonna go show you guys the other end, but I had to wire brush this all to get it clean because it's literally, they silicone. Once these are pasted together, like you put the face, okay, so you put the barrel on top. I mean, you put the lip on top of the barrel, then you put the face in. And it has studs behind every single one of these. And once you torque those down, there's gonna be a valley right here that you have to fill in with silicone to seal it. That's some people's problems when they have 3-piece wheels. It leaks from there because it's not sealed properly. So you literally have to clean this good and you should be golden. But let me go show you guys. Okay, take a good look at this. And I'm gonna show you guys the other 2 downstairs. So these had curb rash. You don't see curb rash no more. I fixed the rash on this. I just didn't compound and polish it yet, but I fixed the rash and compound and polished 2 lips so far. So I'm gonna show you those. Okay, so on that was one wheel upstairs. On these 2 lips down here, these are the, I don't know if I mentioned in the last video. The barrels were cracked and welded. They held air, but I don't do that. I like all my stuff to be mint and clean, like worry-free. So, I spoke with Infinitewerks. They're gonna get me 2-step barrels and the 2 faces that I need, the correct offset. I'm gonna go show you guys the 4th wheel in the garage and tell you what's up with that one. I just found that yesterday, but let me show you guys. This one's still, this rash was so bad right here. Like, this was the bad spot. There was rash all over this shit, like right here. You can't even see. All that was rashed. But I can probably hit this some more, but I'm afraid to sand down any more of this. But it's smooth as fuck. Remember I said, look at the one upstairs? This is only 1 pass of compound and polish. It's still a little right there, but like I said, I'm gonna hit this again, but compared to the one that I showed you upstairs, you can see the difference, right? Oh yeah, and this is the correct face to, is this the correct face? one hand. Let me see. This is the correct. Yeah, this is one of the correct faces. But is this the front lip or the back? Because the front lip is 19 by 4, and then rear lips are 19 by 5s. They got 5.5-inch barrels. Yeah, this is the front. This is the 4. So the other lip over there is the back. The 5. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you guys the 4th wheel. This is the 4th wheel. You can see it's fixing rash on this one too. And right there. So basically, I watched a video on how to fix rash. This was really bad right here too. And right there. The rest of it is mint. But to fix rash, basically you start with like an 80 grit. And just work your way down until you're all the way at the polishing grit. This is just an 80 and then 240 maybe. It's smooth, but I gotta go again because I gotta do it more and more so I can get the scratches out. And then finally get down to a 3000 polish. And then once you get to that, put some compound on it and then polish it, and then she's good. But this one is not disassembled, so I can show you guys the seal I'm talking about. This, you have to cut this with a razor blade once you unbolt it, and then when you bolt it back, you gotta clean it up and then seal it back. This is the front. The reason this one is here, you see those tapes? I don't know if you could tell. Yeah, you could tell it's bent. I'm about to go drop this off to my boy actually right now. He think he can fix it. So yeah, I just put the tape exactly where it's bent. You can see it. But yeah, if you can fix that, then that saves me buying a 3rd barrel, because there's literally nothing wrong with this wheel. Like no cracks, it's just that right there. Like I didn't notice it until I took the tire off. I'm like, what the fuck? I really didn't notice that. Dude told me he needed 2 new barrels. The other ones were 10 out of 10. That's not a 10 out of 10, sir. That's not a 10 out of 10, but hey, what you get, man. You get what you pay for, man. That's what happens when you buy shit off of Facebook Marketplace, especially from New York. But I can't complain. Y'all still ain't guessed the price I'm gonna pay for these wheels. I got them for a steal, so I'm not even mad, bro. The barrels, it's $300 a pop. And then the faces is what's gonna kill me. That's me spending, what, $1,600? But it's alright though, it'll be worth it. But, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update. Next video, I'm just gonna keep updating you guys on this rebuild process. But next video, I'm hoping to have the barrels. If not, then once I get that one back from my boy, I'm gonna take that face off, because that is the front one with the crazy offset. And then I can send the 2 back faces to get powder coated white, since I'm gonna have the fresh powder coated white ones from Infinitewerks. So yeah, man, comment, like, and subscribe, man. Let me know what you guys think on the wheel, on this refurbished project I got going on. But yeah, man, stay tuned. We're gonna roll to 2,000 subscribers, man. Keep hitting that subscribe button. Comment, like, share the video. Help your boy out, man. But I'm out of here. Peace.